When you receive inventory items from a purchase order, you have to enter the items into inventory to sell them within your sales forms. Sometimes you receive these items without a corresponding bill. In this case, you create an item receipt that you can later match to the vendor bill when it finally arrives. To create an item receipt for items received without a bill, select Vendors and then Receive Items from the menu bar. This is essentially the same process as entering items received along with the vendor bill. So in the Enter Bill window, select the vendor from whom you are receiving the items from the Vendor drop-down menu. If the vendor you select is one with whom you have open purchase orders, an Open POs Exist message box will appear. To receive the inventory, click the Yes button within the message box to open the Open Purchase Orders window. Any open purchase orders you have with the selected vendor will then appear within this window. Click to place a check mark into the leftmost column of the row that contains the purchase order for the inventory you received. Then click the OK button to return to the Enter Bills window. The items from the purchase order will then appear on the Items tab at the bottom of the Enter Bills window. Ensure that the quantities you ordered are correctly shown. If not, you can change the quantities shown if needed. Notice that this Enter Bills window has no check mark in the Bill Received checkbox, which makes it an item receipt only. When the bill does arrive in the future, you will then match it to the appropriate item receipt to enter the bill for the inventory at the time it is actually received. To assist you in finding this particular item receipt in the future, as well as helping to distinguish this item receipt from any others you may have entered, type an item receipt code or other distinguishing information into the memo field. This will help you to match the bill to the item receipt later on when the bill finally arrives. At this point, you can simply click the Save and Close button to save the item receipt and enter the items received into inventory so you can sell them within your sales forms.